Hello again. Today, special video. We are actually still in Georgia, but since we are in the Atlanta area, I had to come to a store I've been wanting to come to for a while, and it's like an extreme version. I don't say extreme version, but like Best Buy on steroids, and it's called Microcenter. I can't wait to go in here. I went to the one in Marietta last year, but this one looks like it's bigger, it's got more stuff. And today I am joined by a special guest from Birmingham, my brother. He drove over a couple hours to meet up with us. Actually, Alicia and Aiden are still at the hotel, but we are gonna go in here into Microcenter and look around, and like, I'm so excited. And then on top of everything, we pull up, there's a Krispy Kreme in the parking lot. So we're going there afterwards. So let's head in to Microcenter. This parking lot has been, oh my God. Wow. So I think one of the things you can do here is actually pick all the parts and build a computer, and they have cases. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Alright, so here's some prices on building stuff. Look at these cases. One thing I've thought about doing is I have a HP Omen 30L at home. I've thought about doing a case swap, but you gotta make sure all the parts mesh well together. But oh my goodness. And I think you can pick all the parts, they can put it together for you, and you can take it home sometimes same day. But wow. What do you think? Oh my God, we're like 10 feet in the door, that's it.
Yeah, like not even.
There's different cases. I mean,
Like if I do a case swap, I don't have to put like one of these, the white, just something different.
There are.
I'm so used to something like that.
I mean, I'm sure they have even more selection online, different colors. Wow. Internal hard drives, PSUs. Wow. Oh, this is MyCloud stuff. Actually, I've been thinking about trying to get a higher end NAS or network attached storage. I currently have something like that, except it's 4 terabytes, or excuse me, like that, except it's 4 terabytes. And then there's some NASs down there. There's some more down here. Oh, wow. Personal cloud. Oh, wow, more stuff back here. Oh my God. Yeah, they actually have graphics cards. Kind of surprised. Well, I guess not. I think 3D printers and filament. Oh, I want one so bad. Oh, more graphics card over here. I've thought about upgrading mine. I have a 1660 Super. I've thought about trying to go with like a 3060, maybe even a 3080, but they were always sold out. But now they have them in stock. I mean, not bad. GeForce 3060 Ti for $494. Not bad.
Let's figure out how we're going to mount that thing. Maybe we should just take it.
Wow. Printers. Filament galore. I wish we had one of these places in Florida. Maybe one day there will be. Oh, I see routers. I see monitors. I see Shaquille O'Neal. Oh, GoPro. I'm not sure about what that is. They have a racing simulator in the store. Currently out of commission, but still, that's kind of cool. More computer parts. Yeah, it looks awesome. Look at this thing. Water cooled. Oh, it looks like there's a clearance section. Maybe we should look at it. Routers, home networking, keyboards. Printers. Oh, there's the Oculus or Meta Quest. Ethernet switches. What is that? Is that a Halo mousepad? Oh.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty and Friends mousepad. Oh, I am just. I've been wanting to come here. I saw it on, actually, it's Your Average Consumer's YouTube channel a while back, but we don't have one in Florida. We're nearby. Just had to come. What is it? Oh, that looks pretty cool. Is that a mouse pad too?
Yeah.
With the wrist?
Yeah, like you can put the keyboard on it and the mouse pad's on the side.
Nice. I actually have a mouse pad thingy or a keyboard thing at home. It's pretty wide. It was like $20 at Walmart, but. Routers. Like a kid in a candy store. Clearance and closeouts? What are we finding here? These look like a bunch of laptops. It looks like this is a pre-built computer actually with laptops, monitors. We'll look back here in a minute. More mice, some keyboards.
More nice.
Yes. Keyboards, LED keyboards, replacement, mechanical switches. Glorious.
That one right there. That's the one I would want.
Oh, down there? I don't know.
This is the frame.
Well, okay, then I guess maybe you get the up there the
Mount
switches.
I don't know.
So let's say you can like put your keyboard together. That is cool. I think I'd rather just go with like a pre-built, but this is so cool. I got some chargers. Oh, this is actually kind of what I was looking for. USB Type-C, $20. I'd like to find like a multi-USB Type-C thing because we have iPhones and they USB-C on one end, Lightning on the other. Oh, they got Anchor batteries. That's cool. And Mophie. What do we got over here? Aki. Oh, that's a good brand too. Are you having an issue? Car chargers, car things over here. Nice. I mean, who burns CDs anymore?
People ask you, what is a CD?
Some people probably would. Yeah, what's a CD? It's a compact disc. And then people before that, what's a cassette tape? People before that, what's an 8-track?
Yeah.
No, speakers. I actually need some speakers. I don't have any. I've been looking at getting some of these right here.
I would not. Well, maybe
No,
not
these.
those. Excuse me.
I don't need a subwoofer, but I was thinking about getting one of these because
I have like the smaller, where it's just these two,
like that.
but mine are different. That's the without the subwoofer.
Oh, yeah.
I like these.
Well, if you come to Microcenter and you're looking for a gaming chair, you gotta come to aisle 11 and look up. So, they have headsets. What?
That one or that one?
All right. Well, $399, $329 on the left, or yeah.
I ain't even got nowhere to put it either.
Oh, Galaxy Buds, earbuds. Okay. Headphones. You need to find like a good pair of headphones for the computer now if we're going to be playing on the computer.
Well, they ain't gonna have it on top here.
Let me step back here. What? Which one?
This is my headset.
Oh. I gotta find one that works well with my computer.
Those work really well, like no matter what. They work with the Xbox, with the PC. All it is USB port.
Yeah.
It's a wireless Yeah, that's like the one downside, but
So here on the left-hand side, they actually have a hobby section. I'm not sure. There's gaming. Oh, like some Top Gun Maverick.
yeah. You on Flight Simulator, I'm on Battlefield, just wrecking everybody.
I'm just wrecking yourself.
True.
Oh, some gaming headsets, some games.
How much 65 inches is that? That's not old.
Some controllers. Some more controllers. Oh, drones. That's the one I want. Right there. I want that one. Yep. Wow. And of course, no electronic store would be complete without a TV section. Do what? Oh, let's see. I see TVs. And then I see computers and stuff over there. So let's look at some TVs. What?
Tripped over my own foot.
You tripped over your own foot. You're so excited you tripped over your own foot.
I couldn't help it.
TV mounts. Oh, they got arms.
I don't need a triple monitor stand.
Okay, then just do that. That's kind of what I have actually.
Dual monitor, because I have the two monitors.
That's a dual monitor stand.
Oh.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I have
Look
no
at the camera. So, what do you think of Microcenter out here in I know this is Duluth.
I need to come back here with more money.
Yeah.
Like, a lot more
And
money.
I need to send you back here with more money. And then you can ship stuff to me. Because you're only like 2.5 hours away from here.
Yeah?
I'm a little bit further. A little bit. So we came back to the hobby section, have a look around. Steering wheels, drones. This is so cool. Game drive. Well, yeah, this is, wow, tech heaven for me. There's a lot of stuff I need to learn. Oh, arcade control kits. You have little arcade cabinets. Yeah, anyways, this is like tech heaven for me. I've been wanting to come here for quite some time. So excited to get to come here. I want to come back with more money, like you said. So, was it worth the trip?
Oh, definitely.
I mean, you also got to see your nephew and your brother, but
Just my nephew is worth it.
that's true. You were playing hide and seek in the restaurant. That was funny. So, we are leaving Microcenter. Very sad. We have to leave. But, coolest freaking store ever.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
And like I said, there's a Krispy Kreme in the parking lot. We're gonna go walk over there now. But thank you, special guest Jason, for coming out today,
Of course.
making his second appearance on the channel in two months. Not really sure when this video is gonna go live.
Yeah, roughly.
So we're gonna walk over to Krispy Kreme. That is all for this video. Until the next venture. The light is on. That means they're making donuts. Let's go get some donuts. They're making donuts. Donuts. Yes.